Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Headaches after sneezing are often caused by a sudden increase in pressure within the chest and head, which can affect blood flow and tension in the head muscles. This is usually benign but can be more pronounced in individuals with sinus issues, high blood pressure, or underlying neurological conditions. To alleviate discomfort, try sneezing with your mouth open to reduce the pressure change. If you experience severe or recurring headaches after sneezing, it may be wise to consult a healthcare provider for further evaluation.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.